Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up webcam for Zoom meeting. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app. And then you can be in a meeting or you can just be outside the Zoom. So I'm going to show you with the Zoom let's say Zoom meeting inside. So firstly, just go to this camera option. Here you'll be having this prompt, like let's say upward arrow. Press over here and then go to video settings. Once you're in the video settings, now what you need to do is, so from here you can have every settings of your camera. So you can choose the integrated webcam, or you have any other web cameras that you have installed. You can have it as original ratio or SD quality. You can just choose anyone. And if your video you want to mirror your video, touch up my appearance, or any of these things, you can choose from here guys. So this is how you can set up your camera. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.